Ron, I'm going to begin with you here. What do you make of this cross-examination? Are we really getting anywhere with this line of questioning?
No, we were speaking off air how we weren't really sure what was going on. It took a while to pick up what was happening, which is a really bad way to present evidence. The jurors understand the stuff happened 25 years ago, and the witness is saying, "I would like to read the transcript." And the person doing the questioning just doesn't seem to pick up on it. It's kind of falling flat. So I don't know what the point is, and the point's not being delivered, whatever it is supposed to be.
Now, Rich, there was a brief exchange between the defense counsel and Lieutenant Ratzberg about the sexual nature of the crime. What do you make of that?
Well, I agree with Ron. I don't know exactly where this cross-examination is going. It is a little meandering from point to point without really hitting any high notes. And I guess the suggestion by the defense here is maybe there was another possibility for how this death occurred that you did not adequately investigate. You didn't really look into whether this could have been a sex-related death as opposed to something else. Now, I've never heard of anyone incorporating antifreeze into their sex life, but maybe the defense has a theory.
To each his own.
Yes.
Rich.
Yes.
By the way, did you know antifreeze, I did a little Google search the other day, tastes like a syrupy liquid. So that cup there, don't ever have anyone pour any of that in there.
I'll watch out for that.
Yes, exactly. All right, Ron, the defense is alluding that victim Julie Jensen had a tough time breathing on the day that she died. What do you think is going through the jury's mind when they hear this?
I think they're trying to plant seeds that there were already breathing issues that may have led ultimately to perhaps her, asphyxiating on herself. It's very strange. I agree with my colleague about, how does antifreeze get in there? They're not dealing with the elephant in the room, which is like, everybody knows how she died. Just deal with it. Don't try to avoid things or bring in this whole sex thing. It's a very odd suggestion, but maybe, maybe she was already having breathing issues, so perhaps, jury, that's what caused it. But we don't have an answer for the antifreeze yet.